Hello class 9th. Welcome to GK class. This is your GK book. Today we are going to discuss civilizations of the world. Page number 45. First is the ancient Egyptian civilization. Ancient Egypt was a civilization of ancient North Africa concentrated along the lower reaches of the Nile River, situated in the place that is now the country Egypt. Ancient Egyptian civilization followed prehistoric. There were at least 30 dynasties ruled by pharaohs who were considered as kings and gods. The pyramids were built as tombs for the pharaohs of that time. Egypt was weakened by invasions until it was taken over by Alexander the Great in 332 BC. Next civilization is ancient Greece. Ancient Greece was a civilization belonging to a period of Greek history from the Greek Dark Ages of the 12th to 9th centuries BC to the end of antiquity. This era was immediately followed by the early Middle Ages and Byzantine period. The Greeks had a rich culture which consisted of myths and legends about the gods. Some of the famous Greeks are Archimedes, Aristotle, Hippocrates, Homer, and Socrates. Greece is credited for initiating the Olympic Games, which continue to date. Next civilization is the Roman Empire. The Roman Empire was one of the most powerful empires. It was the post-republican period of ancient Rome. It was well known for its architectural wonders and plannings of the city grounds. Gladiators. Gladiators were trained in the art of fighting for the entertainment. This was at the Colosseum, which is one of the wonders of the world. Caesar Augustus was one of the ancient Rome's most successful leaders who led the transformation of Rome from a republic to an empire. During his reign, Augustus restored peace and prosperity to the Roman state and changed nearly every aspect of Roman life. Next civilization is the Chinese civilization. China is one of the world's 4 ancient civilizations. The Chinese were known to have lived around 5,000 to 8,000 years ago, and the civilization began with the Shang dynasty. The Forbidden City is a palace complex in Beijing, China. The famous terracotta army of clay soldiers was built during the reign of Qin Shi Huang. It is a burial ground consisting of approximately 7,000 clay soldiers, 600 horses, and more than 100 wooden war chariots built to protect the empire in the afterlife. Next is the Indus Valley Civilization. It was a Bronze Age civilization in the northwestern regions of South Asia, lasting from 3300 BCE to 1300 BCE. It grew mostly due to fertile lands across the Indus River. This civilization is also referred to as the Harappan civilization. Mohenjo-daro is an archaeological site in the province of Sindh, Pakistan. Next is the Mayan civilization. The Mayan civilization was a Mesoamerican civilization developed by the Maya peoples. It was most famously known for its architecture, art, mathematical, and astronomical heritage. It is located throughout the southern Mexican states. Chichen Itza, an archaeological site, was a city built by the Mayans. Thank you.